Maybe they won't. Yeah, okay, if you want to. I see that I don't. He sees as well. I just don't pay attention. Sheets on there.
Yes, that's right. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Samskrtam Dayanandam Paramartha Swarupinam Tattvajnana Prashastaram Pranatosmi Param Padam Vagatha Viva Sampraktau Vagatha Pratipattaye Jagatah Pitaro Vande Parvati Parameshwarau Yenakshara Samamnayam Adhigamya Maheshwara Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Valaruchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Suprakaram Cha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunatu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Alpaksharam asandidham Saravat Vishwato Mukham Astobham Anavadhyam Cha Sutram Sutravido Viduhu Ayun Rilik Om Ai Ouch Ayavarat Lan Nyamangananam Javain Karadash Javagayadash Kapachatata Chatau Tapai Shashasar Hal Idimaheshwarani Sutrani Akupadasajaniniyanam Kantaha Ishuyashanam Talu Riturashanam Murtha Mudashanam Tattva Upamaniyanam Oshto Nyamangananam Nasikacha Edaitoho Kantatalu Odautoho Kantaushtam Vakarasya Dantaushtam Jikhva Muli Yasya Jikhva Mulyam Nasika Ansvarasya By mistake I opened this one. So this is not here. Just a minute. It is in some other file. Yeah, we can do Ramo Rajamani. Ramo Rajamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje Ramena Dihata Nishachara Chamuhu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyam Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Go Rama Muddhara. Then Rama Shabdam is there. So every day we will chant one Shabda. Use one of you can chant. Okay. 3 Shabda we can do, each different persons. Rama Shabda, which Shabda you want to do? We will go in the same order. Rama Shabda, one person. Tat Shabda, another person. Etat Shabda, another person. Without saying, okay. Without saying. Kim Shabda, another person. All Pullinga will complete. Yat Shabda. So this is one day, finish. Now Sarva also is there. Right? Today leave it, tomorrow. Rama Shabda is a need not do Rama Shabda. It takes similar Akaranta Shabda. Any Akaranta Shabda. Who wants to do? Akaranta Rama Shabda. Next one. Tat Shabda. Okay, Tat Shabda. Etat Shabda.
You can carry on like this.
I'm just giving the option. They are doing Etat Shabda. Let them. Or if 11 people are there, 11 people, each people want to do one Shabda, it's fine. Yes? Okay, Kim Shabda. Okay, Kim Shabda. She has said Kim Shabda. Okay. Yad Shabda. Yad. Maria. Okay. Tomorrow we can do Sarva Shabda. Malini. Hari Shabda. Krishna. Guru Shabda. Haryana. Okay. You can do any Ukaranta Shabda, not only Guru. Okay. Not only Hari. You take different difficult Shabda. Atiti you take. Example I am saying. Pala Shabda. Yeah, Rishi. Pala. Okay. Area. We can do Pala. Then Tat Shabda. Napumsakalinga. Okay. Then left out is Surendraji. Parishesha Nyaya. So you do Etat Shabda. Tomorrow each one of you one Shabda. Right? If you do it, then we can go to the next new set of Shabdas. Okay. 15 minutes we can do nothing now. It's worth spending time on doing that chanting. Okay, now. Just a minute. Yes, we can chant this. Su Aujas. Together all of it.
Su Aujas, Aujas, Ta Yam Yes, Nye Yam Yes, Nyasi Yam Yes, Nyas Os Am, Ni Os Sup, Su Aujas.
Okay, this is also please.
Tiptas Ji,
Sit as Tha, Nit was Mas, Ta Atham, Ja, Thas Atham, Dvam, It, Vahi, Mahing, Laklakala, Ti, Taha, Anti, Si, Taha, Tha, Mi, Vaha, Maha, Te, Ate, Ante, Se, Athe, Dve, Ye, Mahe, Mahe. Yes. Now this Marut Shabda, we have seen the declension, right? You know it by heart, but we have seen the derivation of the padam, right? All the vibhakti and vachanam you know to derive it by adding the pratyaya to the pratipadikam Marut, except for the first one, right? Pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. I said you just take it as a rule. That also a rule I will tell you. So you can derive, you can derive all the vibhakti vachanam. That's the only rule left out. If I tell you that, then all the rules you know. That's the only thing left out. Why should I leave it? That also I will tell. Right? So if you know Marut Shabda, then other Halanta Shabda, other similar Halanta Shabda you would be able to derive on your own. You understand? So here, Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam Bhagavachanam, Chaturthi Dvivachanam Bhagavachanam, Panchami Dvivibhakti Bhagavachanam, Dvivachanam Bhagavachanam and Saptami Bhagavachanam, these 7 places, only the Sandhi, what we call it's a Vyanjana Sandhi is applied. We know that. Jalam, Jashonte, Jal, Padanta Jal replaced by Jash or followed by Jash or Chartva Vidhi, these are the rules applied. In other places, Marut plus Au, just Melana, joining. Marutau, Marutaha, everywhere. It's only joining. No significant changes happen. No rules apply. Only here, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, one rule is there. So if we tell you that rule, then you can derive all the forms of Marut Shabda. If you know Marut Shabda, you can derive any Halanta Shabda, any similar Halanta Shabda. There may be some exceptions. I will tell you one by one. So that we will keep on adding in our chart. Before that, did you go to the chart? All of you? I mean, the table. Yes? Any doubt?
No.
No? Did you go to the chart?
Yes.
It's very clear.
Definitely you will have some doubts, right? No? Okay, it's fine. Okay, then I'm happy. Hard copy I'll give you one when I update everything. Otherwise I'll keep on giving you each time when I update, to keep on giving you and discard the old one. So it's waste.
Sharanji,
Yeah,
can you explain?
I'll do it. Let's come. I understand. It's question.
Yes.
Yes. I remember more than you, okay? I appreciate. See, it means you start understanding now. You are become very, very sharp and very attentive. Now, you know, started understanding the nuances of the application of the rules. It's a good sign. So we can move forward now. But before that, let me do the Marut, right? Marut plus Su. Su is what? Sakara. So Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachana. So what you get is Maruts, right? You get Maruts. Now before this consonant followed by another consonant. What is this called? The consonant followed by another consonant. Yeah, conjunct consonant, right? The name, right? Sanyukta Vyanjanani. Sanyukta Vyanjanani. Remember? Yes. And this, technically a consonant followed by another consonant without any gap. Technically, it is called Samyoga or Sanyoga. It's a Sanya. Like we have Guna, Vidhi, all these are Sanya. Padam, Pratipadikam, all these are Sanya. Similarly, this is also a Sanya. When we learn the Akshara, alphabets, that time I told Sanyukta, Aksharani, Sanyukta Vyanjanani. But Panini Maharishi calls it by a different name. It's called Sanyoga. Halonantara Sanyoga. Sutra is a Sanya Sutra. So technically called Sanyoga. So what Sanyoga means? Conjunct. Another name for conjunct consonants. Right? Okay. Like for Sandhi. Sandhi is called by the name Samhita by Panini Maharishi. Similarly, Sanyukta Vyanjanani is called by the name Sanyoga. Is it a Sanyoga here? Yes or no? Yes. Sanyoga ends with Sakara. Sanyoga ends with Sakara. Yes? Right? So we can call this Sakara as Sanyoganta Sakara. Yes? That is, Anta is end, Sakara is at the end of the Sanyoga. Sanyoganta Sakara. Can we call? Sanyoga is a word, Anta is the end, Sakara is there. Sakara at the end of Sanyoga. That is, Sakara at the end of the conjunct consonant. Right? Sanyoganta Sakara. You understand the term? This is itself the sutra really. Sanyogantasya comes. I'm using the same words of the sutras. Sanyoganta Sakara. And also this happens to be a Padam. So, Sanyogantasya Sakara, Sanyogantasya Padasya Sakara, Lopaha Bhavati, rule. Sakara, which is at the end of a conjunct consonant and the end of the Padam. And the conjunct consonant should be at the end of the Padam. A Padam having conjunct consonant at the end, which has Sakara at the end. Conjunct consonant at the end of a Padam adding Sakara. That Sakara will be dropped. Therefore, you get Marut. Everywhere this rule is applied. All the Halanta Shabda, whatever we have seen, so far you see, it will end with Sakara, Suhrut, Upanishad, right? Any Shabda you take, Halanta Shabda so far, Halanta, consonant ending Shabda. For Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Sakara will be there. That Sakara is dropped. It doesn't happen for Ajanta. Why? Because it is not a Sanyoga. Therefore Ramaha, Harihi, Guruhu, right? Whereas for Halanta, Padanta, Sanyoganta, Padanta, Sakara. We can modify this like this. Sanyoganta, Padanta, Sakara is dropped. That is the rule. Sanyoganta, Padanta, Sakara is dropped. Or Sanyoganta, Padasya, Sakara, you can say. That's a sutra. But Anta is understood in Pada. Sanyoganta, Padanta, Sakara, Sanyoganta, Padasya, Sakara, Lopaha Bhavati. The rule. Clear? If you know this rule, all the rules are known, so you can derive. Yes?
So this is in relation to supratya, to pratya, or it doesn't matter?
Doesn't matter. We are not talking about, doesn't matter. Anywhere. Anywhere, Sakara is at the end. Sakara at the end of Sanyoga, and Sanyoga is the end of that Padam. That Sakara will be dropped. Sanyogantasya Padasya Sakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Clear? Understand? So Sanyoga Sakara at the end of the Padam is dropped. So if you know this rule, then let us derive this now. We have seen already Marut, or you can take some other Shabda. You can take a Shabda Manjari and tell me some other Shabda from the Shabda Manjari. The same Takaranta Shabda. Sorry? Not Vedas. Takaranta Shabda you can say. Vedas also same thing. We will do Vedas also. Upanishad Srilinga. Huh?
Mahat.
Huh?
Mahat.
It comes in Pullinga. Just Jagrat. In Takaranta comes Marut Shabda. Go to the Marut Shabda, and below the Marut Shabda, some Shabdas are given. Dadat and all it is different.
Vishwajit, Indrajit.
Takara, but it is derived from the Kriya Padam, it is different. Vishwajit. Yes.
Any Padam Lopaha Bhavati, no? Pullinga doesn't matter.
No, the form, huh?
Any Padam Lopaha Bhavati.
Yeah, but I want only Pullinga. So let us do Indrajit. Right? Or Bhubrit is there?
Yes.
Bhubrit. Bhubrit plus Su. Bhubrit means king. King. Bhubrit. Bhu means Prithvi. Brit is the one who supports the Prithvi, who rules. Bhuvam Vivarti. Iti Bhubrit. Raja. Nripaha. So Bhubrit plus Su. Apply this rule. Sanyoganta, Padasya, Padantasya, Sakarasya, Lopaha Bhavati. So you get Bhubrit. Now, and this will become, I am just adding here, Bhubritau. And Bhubrit plus just, Jakara is what letter? Fifth letter. So content is As only. Okay. So you get Bhubritaha, Bhubrit, Bhubritau, Bhubritaha, Bhubrit plus Am, Bhubritam. Then this Takara is a fifth letter, therefore Bhubritau. And Shakara is fifth letter. So content will be As. So same becomes Bhubritaha. Then Ta. Takara is it. Bhubrit plus Ta will become Bhubrita. This becomes That we have to do. Bhu, Bhrit plus Bhyam. Apply the rule. What is this? Padam. This is a Padam. What about here? All these places. Is it a Padam? It's a Pratipadikam only, right? So here it's a Padam. Bhu, Bhrit plus Bhyam. What will happen? Takara will be replaced by Dakara. What rule is that? Apadanta. Padanta Jhal replaced by Jash. What's the number? Bhubrit, right? Bhubrit plus Bhyam. After this, I'm just writing the number, cannot write the full rule. A2 Jastra rule, number 1. 2 Jastram is the number 1 Jastram. Then Bhubrit plus Bhyam. This is Jhal followed by Jash. Therefore this will be replaced by Jash. The same. The form is same only. But you have to apply the rule. Bhubrit, then Bhyam. Bhubrit, Bhyam. This is 853. So therefore the form is Bhu, Bhrit, Bhyam. So here also same, here also same. The same thing here, you apply, what you get? Bhu, Bhrit, Vihi. And here? Bhu, Bhrit, Vyaha. So here also same, here also same. Then Bhu, Bhrit plus A. Bhu, Bhrite, right? Then Bhu, Bhrit plus Nasi. Bhu, Bhritaha. Everywhere Padanta Sakara. So with Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, Repa becoming Visarga. That you know it. Bhu, Bhrit plus Nas. Bhu, Bhritaha. Bhu, Bhritaha, here it becomes Bhu, Bhritoho, then Bhu, Bhritam. And Bhu, Bhrit plus E will become Bhu, Bhriti, Bhu, Bhritoho. Here, Bhu, Bhrit plus Sup, what will happen? Bhu, Bhrit plus Su. Saptami, Bhagavachanam. Bhu, Bhrit plus Su. What will happen? What is the first rule you apply? Padanta, Jal replaced by Jash. Therefore you get Bhu, Bhrit, Su. This is Jastra rule number 1. Then Jastra rule number 2 cannot be applied. Right? Because the following letter is a Kar letter. Jal followed by a Kar. Jal will be replaced by Char. Therefore you get Bhu, Bhrit, Su. This is the form Bhu, Bhrit, Su. So all the forms you know now can derive. This is the only thing I didn't tell you, that also I told. So any Takaranta Shabda would be able to decline. This is not the case with Dadat and all. Dadat, Jagrat, that is, see, Bhu, Bhrit, Marut, if you take those Shabdas, those are the Pratipadikam. Whereas Patat, Dadat, Gachat, all these are derived from the Dhatu by adding a Krit Pratyaya. So there the form becomes different. In Pullinga it becomes Patan, Patantau, Patantaha. Nakara comes. Depending on the Pratyaya added to the Dhatu, some Agama comes. Patan. This is only for the Takaranta Shabda. Takaranta Shabda, which is not, which doesn't have any Krit Pratyaya added. No Krit Pratyaya is here. Marut is the Pratipadikam as such. Right? Whereas Patat, Jagrat, All these are from the Shabda you can infer. It is derived from a dhatu. It means some pratyaya is added. So don't decline like Marut. If you can decline like Marut, then why should you give separately? So it means exceptions are there. Even though it is Takaranta, but it is a different Takaranta Shabda, not like Marut. Clear? Right? In Shabda Manjari you will find Takaranta Shabda. So many Takaranta Shabdas are there. Right? This Takaranta is to start with. And those Takaranta Shabdas are different. They are derived from the Dhatu, like Patat, Jagrat, Bhubrat and all. That we will see different, in different context. When we see Krit Pratyaya, not now. Right? Clear? Okay. Now, this is only for Takaranta. You can, the Kridanta Takara. Kridanta, Shatrish and all, those Pratyayas. We're going to see that later. So those Shabdas are derived differently, even though it is Takaranta, but it is not like this. At least in the first 5 places, the forms will change. Those Takaranta. Those Kridanta Pratipadika. Krit Anta Pratipadikas declension will be different, at least for the first 5 places. This is not Kridanta. This is not Krit Anta Pratipadika. Krit means Pratyaya. We have not seen yet what Krit is. We are going to see later. Now, leave out the Takara. Now we take any Halanta Shabda, any Hal, any consonant. What is the next consonant? Vedas.
Yes.
Right? Let us take Vedas. Now I am replacing. You want to copy this? Marutha is there? The same way. If you want to do it quickly. At least you should have some notes with you. Otherwise you will not remember what you learned in the class. Write it. It's okay. Otherwise on this day, what has been learned, you don't know. At least you write Bhubrat. You take it as homework. Bhubrat, you derive. Bhubrat, Indrajit, you derive it. Right? To summarize, what are the rules? Sayyabhantasya padasya sakarasya lopaha. That is one rule. Then Jal Vidhi, and Chashta Vidhi, and Sharta Vidhi. These are the rules. If you know, all the forms are derived. Okay. You want to write this? Okay. I will use that board. Vedas.
This Indrajit is translated like. What is the translation? Indrajit. Indrajit.
The one who conquers Indra.
The ones who conquers.
Indram Jayati. Indrajit. That's a samasa here. It's a upapada samasa. The one who conquers Indra. What is the Shabda given Takaranta? You can see Trilinga Shabda, Shabda Manjari. Just find out. Takara or Dakara. See, any Shabda now, Takara or Dakara you can derive. Non-Kridanta Pratipadika, Takara Shabda you can derive now. Okay, myself will show. Sharad. Okay. Sharad you can derive. We'll derive. Shabda Manjari. Even though you can derive Marut Shabda, I would recommend you to memorize Marut Shabda. Okay? Marut Shabda you can derive it. You know all the rules now. You can derive on your own. Still, memorize it. It will be very useful. It's an important Shabda. So, any form, Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam, Marutam, should be able to say Marutam. Shashti Bhakti, Saptami Bhakti Ekavachanam, Maruti, Marute, Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam. That familiarity is important, it should come. Every time you cannot derive also. If you can derive everything mentally quickly, then it's okay. But it takes time. Okay. So Marut is, you can derive Marut. all other participles. That is number 2. Present participles are Prashnapada, Dadat and Vigit, and the present participles of second conjugation are declined like Marut. All other participles of the present and future Prashnapada in Gachat, Vishat are to be declined like Pachat Shabda. It is given specifically this. So, now you can derive Bhubrat, Indrajit, Vishwajit, Somasut. These 4 Shabdas you can derive like Marut. Important point to be noted here. Please see. Please listen here. Bhubrat, Indrajit, Vishwajit, Somasut. These Shabda, like Marut Shabda, you can decline by applying the rule. You take 1 or 2 Shabda, you do it. Then, Dadat, Dhadat, Vibhyat, Prabhrtayaha, Jakshat, Jagrat, Shasat, Chakasat, Dharidrat. All these Takaranta Shabdas are derived from a dhatu. All these are participle. Present participle pratyaya is added. It's a present Shatru pratyaya is added. But these dhatus belong to second and third conjugation. These dhatus to which the present participle suffix is added, adding which you get the form Dadat, Dhadat, Bibhyat, Jakshat, Jagrat. The dhatus they belong to second and third conjugation. Therefore, no problem, you can decline like Marut. If the dhatu belongs to other gana, other than 2 and 3, then you cannot decline like Marut. For example, Pachat, if you take, Pachat declension will become Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha. We chanted in the beginning. Remember? I wanted you to memorize that. We chanted in the beginning. Dhatus belonging to other gana, excepting 2 and 3, other gana, they are declined like Pachat Shabda. There Nakara comes. Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachantau, Pachataha. After that you can add, you can just do the Melanam or apply the just Jatvasanti, you will get the form. But the first 5 forms, it will be Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachantau, Gachan, Gachantau, Gachantaha, Gachantam, Gachantau. Why it happens? That out of scope. When we see Kradanta, we will see. Clear? This is what the footnote is given. Right? Second conjugation, third conjugation, no problem. Why no problem? We will see. There is no shop walking in there. That's why it's simple. But here it is not like that. Okay? So from this you know, Dadat, Dhadat, Bibhyat, all these are second and third conjugation dhatus. So therefore you can decline like Marut. Okay. So Takaranta is done. Then Napumsakalinga or Pullinga, Strilinga, it's also same. So see now the immediate Shabda is Pachat, which belongs to first gana. Therefore the declension will be different. Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachantau. Up to that you remember. After that onwards, it's same as Marut. Pachataha, Pachata, Pachatbhyam, Pachatbihi, Pachate, Pachatbhyam, Pachatbhyaha, right? So all the dhatus you see here, this Pratipadikam derived from the dhatu, Gachat, Gamishyat. Gamishyat means you know what? Will be going, future. The one who will be going, future tense. Gachat is going. Gamishyat will be going. The one who will be going. Harat, Harishyat, Kuruvat, Karishyat, Katayat, Katayishyat. All these are derived from the dhatu. Okay.
Harat means?
Huh?
Harat means?
Which? Robbing.
Robbing.
Robbing. Harati. Yeah. Then next one. Dhimat. It's all different. Different pratyas are added. Therefore, declension will be different. Matuk pratyaya is added. Don't worry about all those things. Dhimat is so this is not simple takaranta. This is a different takaranta. Dhiman. It doesn't become demon also, like Pachan. becomes Dhiman. These exceptions you have to note and remember. Okay. Dhiman, Buddhiman, Dhanavan, Balavan, all those things. Then Magat. Magat also is a different Shabda. First 5 forms are different. After that, it is same as Marut. So Marut Shabda you know. Now, other Takaranta exception. Exception being exceptions, deal with it separately. Now Sugrut. Sugrut, can you do it? Yes. Same. Simple. It is also, since it is Alanta, it is also similar to Bhubrut only. Sugrut plus Su. What will happen? It is Suhrut plus Su. Now Sayyohantasya Padasya Sakarasya Lopaha. So you get Suhrut. And what is this Suhrut now? Padanta Jal. I am writing that here. Suhrut plus Sakara. It becomes Suhruts. Padanta Sakara, Sanyogantasya Padanta Sakarasya Lopaha Bhavati. Therefore you get Suhrut. Now Suhrut is what? Padanta Jal. Apply the rule. Jal letter replaced by, you get Suhrut. Or optionally Avasani, Avasani, it becomes Suhrut. That is by the rule 8, 4, 56. So 2 forms you are getting, right? Clear? So this is Suhrut, Suhrutau, Suhrutaha. Suhrudam, Suhrudau, Suhrutaha. Suhruda, Suhrudbyam. Same. Just a bit, right? So you can derive it. So Suhrut also you know it. Yes? Okay. Even and all we will see later, don't worry about it. Even Magavan, Athin, Karin. Now, in the lesson, we are interested in Vedas, right? We are going by the lesson, infant data lesson. That Vedas Shabda we saw, so we will see that Vedas. It's okay? Now, Vedas. Vedas is Sakaranta Shabda. So Vedas plus Su. Sayyoganta Sakara. Sayyoganta Padanta Sakara. Therefore what will happen to Sakara? It becomes Lopaha. So you get Vedas, but here something happens and therefore you get Veda. One more rule is there. Therefore you get Veda, you get Vedas, then Vedaha. That rule not required now. Okay. I don't know. If I tell you everything, then it will be confusing. That Pratama Vibhakti only you remember. This Sakara goes away, Vedas is there, so the Upada gets Dirgha. Okay. So Vedaha you get. Vedaha, Vedasau, Vedasaha, Vedasam, Vedasau, Vedasaha, Vedasa becomes Vedobhyam. Vedas plus Byam. What will happen? We saw this, right? Vedas plus Byam. Padanta Sakara becomes Visarga. Visarga is replaced by U. Vedho, Vedobhyam, Vedobhihi. Then Vedase, Vedobhyam, Vedobhyaha. Vedasaha, Vedobhyam, Vedobhyaha, Vedasaha, Vedasoho, Vedasam, Vedasi, Vedasoho, Vedas, Vedasu. This is what we have to see, right? Okay. That is Saptami Bhakti. Vedas plus Su. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, remember the form, Vedaha. Right? So we will have to leave some rules for our future discussion. Let it be there. So let it be there. Because those are exceptions. I mean, not exceptions. Some so many miscellaneous other rules are there. That we will see separately. Form you know it, Vedaha, that is enough. This is important, Vedas. Because this we discussed and we know the rules. Now, Vedas plus Su. What is this? Padanta Sakara. Therefore, what will happen? Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Repa. Vedar plus Su. And Vedar will become, Repa will become. It's not writing, sir. Many pens are there, right? Yeah. Vedaha plus Su. Right? Now, before applying this, Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, what is the rule I told? Remember? I told the rule number. Padanta Sakara, last class I told. Check. That is why the question came up. Yes. What is the rule number? 8266. That's why he asked a question. Why don't you apply 8239? This is what letter? Jal letter. Padanta Jal. Why it is not replaced by Jash? That's the question, right? I didn't apply that. So, Padanta Jal replaced by Jash. For that is for 8239 and 8266. If this rule is applied, then this rule will not get Sakara at all. 8266 will not get Sakara at all. Everywhere this 8239 will come and convert that Sakara to a Jal letter. It will change. Right? 8239 will convert all the Sakara. Right? It will convert. Particularly here, Padanta Sakara followed by, in this case, 7-3 and all. 7-3 and all, this is a Padam. Right? And followed by another letter is there. So everywhere now the Shabda, you will see, this will not allow this rule to be applied. Therefore, 8266 is an exception to 8239. So when these two rules are applied, right, 8239 is 8266 is a partial exception. It is only for the Sakara, not for any Jal letter. Listen carefully. 8239, that is Jal Vidhi. Jal will be replaced by Jash letter, right? Among the Jal letter, if it is a Sakara, then don't go there, come here. That's all. Nowhere it is mentioned this is exception. In a book, buy me book, small footnote, tippani. That also he didn't say that it's an exception. He says in Hindi, ये बात होता है बस उतना ही. This prevents only for Sakara. So you have to write in your notes, update your notes now. If the Padanta Jal is a Sakara, then this Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, that rule will be applied. You can, if you are having a printout of that notes, you can write there, if the Padanta Jal is a Sakara, then 8266. That is, Padanta Sakara giving Repa will be applied, not just Vidhi. Clear? Please think and ask. You think. First you think in your mind.
Replacement by Sakara, Dakara?
Yes. Yes, you will see in some places Sakara replaced by Dakara. Some places, you will see later, don't worry about it now. But here, this will not happen. Here, this will not happen. Clear? Padanta Sakara, if it is a the jal letter is a sakara, that will not be replaced by jash. Sakara will be replaced by repa. 8266 will overrule. This is only a partial exception, not for the whole jal. Only for the particular jal letter sakara. You can write, update in your notes. Clear? Therefore, 8 to 39 cannot be applied. So I got stuck up there. 8 to 39 if you apply, what will happen? But there are some other shabda where it is applied. We will see later. Okay, that depends on what the pratipadikam is. See, one thing you need to understand, everything depends on the nature of the pratipadikam. What is a pratipadikam? Pratipadikam means noun base, right? A noun base is not it's not common, means it's not a uniform noun base. A noun base can be a derived noun base. A noun base can derive, yes or no?
Yes.
You can add a dhatu, you can add a pratyaya to a dhatu, you can derive a noun base. Right? You can add a pratyaya to a dhatu. See, generally what you get, adding a pratyaya to a dhatu, ting pratyaya, you get a padam, kriya padam. Now, what I am saying is, you can add a pratyaya, some pratyaya, not ting pratyaya. Some pratyaya you can add to a dhatu, you get a pratipadikam. You get a pratipadikam. And that pratipadikam can be converted to a kriya padam, possible. And the kriya padam, dhatu can be converted to a, goes on and on, there is no end. Nama dhatu, they are called some nama dhatus are there. You can derive a dhatu. Similarly, to a pratipadikam, you can add from a pratipadikam, you can derive another pratipadikam. That's called tadita. From a dhatu, you can derive a pratipadikam. From a pratipadikam, you can derive a pratipadikam. For all these different pratyas are there. The pratyaya world is there. So it's a big, huge world. Okay. Third chapter of the Ashtadhyayi, third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter, that is 12 sections deal with pratyayas. So many pratyayas are there. Okay. Therefore, oh, this is takaranta, like marut. I close my eyes, I derive the shabda like marut. Not like that. Understand the pratipadikam. If it is a kridanta pratipadikam, declension is different. Example, we saw marut and gachat, patat and all. If it is a second conjugation, third conjugation, same like marut. That's okay, no problem. Right? Similarly, here, Vedas is the sakaranta shabda. So this is applied. Suppose if it is vidvas, I'm just saying, I'm not going to derive the vidvas now. Vidvas. That pratipadikam is derived by adding a vas. It's a vas anta pratipadika. There the rules are different. There the rules are different. So, what I'm saying is, it depends on the nature of the pratipadikam. Number one, understand. Right? If something is not applied, understand, the pratipadikam is distinct. Something is there with the pratipadikam. Therefore, that rule is not applied. Okay. Clear? So, in this case, Vedas is there. Jashta is supposed to apply, but this sakara becoming repa, that overrules. So, apply that and you get Vedar plus su, Vedaha plus su, then Sarga followed by a kar letter becomes Vedas su, right? This is the form you get. So form is Vedas su. Is that clear? See, you will not get the total idea of everything now. Don't expect everything because this is the first round. Second round will be there, third round we will see. This is just to make you familiar with the shabda and remember the shabda. You can remember. You need not remember all the forms. Few forms you remember. That is Pratama Bhakti Ekavacham you can remember. Vedaha. Other forms you can derive. Melana. Other forms Vidhi. Padanta, this Jashta Vidhi, Charta Vidhi. So you can derive it. That's why I am not asking you to memorize it. Ajanta Shabda should be memorized. Halanta Shabda can be derived. With a little effort you can derive it. Any doubts? Now, no. I want you to understand the derivation of Marut. What are the rules we have studied? Applying the rules and Vedas. Vedas Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. The form you know, Vedas. Now, you can, in the same way you can derive Chandramas and Sumanas Purodas. Take it as a warm-up and do it. Chandramas, it is Chandramas, this Anuswara is missing. Chandramas, Sumanas, Purodas. You please do, then only you will understand. Only when you derive it, you will get doubts, then only you will get clarification from me later. Now you yourself will get clarified. The next shabda is Shreyas, not like Vedas. It's different. Swamiji told in the class, if you remember, Shreyas, Yesun, Ishtan, all those pratyas are added. So, Shreyas has got that pratyaya. Therefore, declension will be different. Not like Vedas. Vedas is different, Shreyas is different. It depends on what pratyaya the Pratipadikam has. Right? Again I am saying I cannot give all the knowledge immediately. Not all knowledge is possible now. All knowledge will come later. Now, specific knowledge. Not Sarvavit, not even Sarvajna. Sarvajna, Sarvavit, no. We are Alpajna, Alpavit. First, start with that. Right? Now, can you do Nabas, which comes in the lesson? Nabas is Napumsakalinga. Nabas is simple. There, unlike Pullinga, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam doesn't become Nabaha. It is Nabaha. There you can apply this. Nabaha. Nabas plus the Sakara. Sanyoghantasya, Sakarasya, Lopaha. There you can apply this rule, whatever the rule we have studied now. So this becomes Lopaha, you get Nabas. Padanta Sakara. Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Repa becomes Visarga. So you get Nabaha. But here what do you get? Nabaso. If everything is so simple, then why it is Napumsakalinga? There it is. Nabaha. Nabasi. Not Nabaso. Napumsakalinga. Nabas is Napumsakalinga. Remember. Napumsakalinga. In this, 8 vibhaktis and 3 vachana. Not all, but some we know to derive. That is what is expected now. If other forms you will see. But different linga, different thing. One by one we will see. For this, Nabas plus how? It is Nabasi. How does it come? No, don't ask now. Nabasi plus just Nabamsi. Nabasi plus just becomes Nabamsi. So Nabaha, Nabasi, Nabamsi. Then Nabaha, again Nabaha only. Nabasi, Nabamsi. From here you can do like Vedas. Nabasa, Nabasa, no, Nabasa, Nabodhyam. This is Vedas, okay? Vedas, Nabodhyam. Nabas plus Bhyam, what will happen? Vedas plus Bhyam happens, what will happen? Vedas plus Bhyam. Vedho Bhyam. Hey, what is this now? None of the pen is writing. Or I keep like this all the time.
Yes, this is Kumar said.
Huh? Nabas plus Bhyam. Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Repa becomes Visarga. Visarga preceded by A, followed by Ash. Visarga will be replaced by who? Becomes Nabho. Nabho Bhyam. Don't say Nabas Bhyam. Clear? So Nabho Bhyam, Nabho Bhi. Nabase, Nabho Bhyam, Nabho Bhyaha. Nabasaha, Nabho Bhyam, Nabho Bhyaha. Nabasaha, Nabasoho, Nabasam. Nabasi, Nabasoho. Nabasi, Nabasoho. Nabasu. Nabasu. Vedasu. Nabasu. Clear? This is Nabas is Napumsakalinga. Any doubts? Immediately. It is slowly started reading. Yes.
just Napumsakalinga was a bit faster.
Napumsakalinga, nothing to do that. You take the this is second time I'm telling, second or third time, what will be already Manas I told. So no problem. I can you can take the Sakaranta Napumsakalinga infinitive. Sorry, Shabdamanjari. Navas Shabda you can take. Sakaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. It's like Manas. So Manas you remember. Manaha Manasi Manamsi. Manaha Manasi Manamsi. Similarly, Nabaha Navasi Nabamsi. Nabaha Navasi Nabamsi. From Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, same as Vedas. Already Vedas we derived. Right? Same as Vedas. The same way Tapas. How can you declare Tapas? Can one of you chant? Anchaka. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Tapas. Sakaram Taha. Start like that. Very good. Ditya Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti.
Tapasa tapatyam tavati.
Again slowly. Tapasa.
Tapobhyam.
Tapasa. Tapo. Tapas plus Bhyam becomes Tapobhyam. Tapobhyam.
Tapobhi.
Tapobhi. Chaturthi. Have Vedas with you. Tapase. Very good. Emilia ji.
Tapasaha, Tapobhyam, Tapobhyaha.
Yes. Shashti. Atra nasti. It's not here. You have to take your Shabda Manjari, Vedas Shabda. Shashti Vibhakti.
14th page.
Shashti Vibhakti. Good. Tapasam. Tapassu. E tapaha, e tapasi, e tapamsi. Right? Yashas. Yashas comes somewhere. Okay. Shreyas. Shreyas, no, it is like this only. Shreyaha, Shreyasi, Shreyamsi. Gariyas also. Gariyaha, Gariyasi, Gariyamsi. This is Napumsakalinga. Gariyas, Pullinga also is there. Strillinga also is there. Anyway. Right? Okay. Then this Navasi in the lesson is there. So we did. Now another Shabda. Nakaranta Shabda. This one, if you do it, then 13th lesson. 13th lesson is not a simple lesson. Suddenly it introduces many Shabdas. Therefore, we should have a background of those Shabdas. That is why this is introduced. Whatever Shabdas we have seen so far, you please take that in your Shabda Manjari. Either you know it or you can derive it by the rules, whatever you know so far.
I would rather by heart it.
Up to you.
Even if you tell me come tomorrow and recite everything, I will do it rather than getting this complicated.
And this is not complicated. This seems to be complicated in the beginning, but it is not. See, what is complicated, you tell me. How many rules you need to remember? No. Anyway, you have to remember the rules for Sandhi. Right? Jashtva and Chatva. 4 plus 1, 5 rules only.
No, number of exceptions are.
Exceptions that depends on the
Pratipadikam derived
yes,
from.
yes. That is, of course, that is depends on the Pratipadikam. See, I also don't apply the rule and tell because I know the repeated practice. I know what it is. So pachanta it comes. I don't apply the rule. The nakara comes. No. If you can do it, it's good. Now, what shabda? Nakaranta shabda. Nakaranta is important. There also, whatever rules we know applicable, forms we will derive. Other things are, you have to know it, memorize it. Now, I will take Atman Shabda, important Shabda. Atman.
Is it in Shabdamanjari?
Yes. Page. Shabda number. Please take this Atman, it is important.
40, Shabda number 40.
40, okay. 40 it is not there in my book. Okay. So,
Atma, Atma.
yes. Atman plus Su. Atman plus, we don't know the rule, just write Atma. You write Atma. The form is Atma. Right? Atman plus Au. It is not simple Melanam here. It becomes Atmanau. That Upada long is there. Atman plus Au. Atmanau?
No.
No. Atma. If everything is so simple, then we don't have Shabda Manjari. Here Upada is long. Here also you see Atma. Atma now. Atman plus As.
Atmana.
Atmanaha. It is again here also Atmanaha. Then Atman plus Atmanam. Atmanau. These 5 places you will see some different rules coming and changing changing. It's not Meranam. It's not Meranam. It changes the form. Like Atma, Dirgha happens, something happens. These 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here, Atman plus As. Here you can just add Atman plus Shas. Atmanaha you get. Huh?
Short. This time short.
This time is short. That is why I said this first 5 places in Pullinga. In Pullinga, these 5 places. You will see a different form. In Strilinga, also 5 places. In Napumsakalinga, it is only these 2 places.
Six places, no? Down below.
No, I am talking about here. I am not talking about this Padam here. The Padamidi is common, we know it. I am not talking about this. I am talking about this. This is called Sarvanamastanam. I am saying this, here the forms will be different, I am saying. It's not simple Melanam. 1,
Correct.
2, 3, 4, 5. Not 6.
Down
This is
below
left
also,
out.
it will not be Melanam, no?
Where? This is Melanam only.
No, when you come to the Shashti or Saptami.
We will come to that. That is not Melanam. Here, talking about this. All these, your Padavidi is applied. This is Vyanjana Santi. Jashtavidi, Chattavidi applies there. So why here? Now. Clear? So this is simple adding. Atman plus As. What do you get? Atmanas. Atmanas becomes Atmanar. Atmanar becomes Atmanaha. Right? Then Atman plus Ta. Atmana. Atman plus Vyam. Yes. Here what happens? Atman plus Vyam. That Nakara goes away. Nakara goes away. Atmabhyam you get. Same Atmabhyam here also. So you can see these places, Nakara will go away. This as well as here. In these places, Nakara will not be there. Right? Atmabhyam, it becomes Atman plus Bhi. This it becomes Atmabhigi. And here Atmabhyaha. And here Atmabhyaha. And here Atman plus A will become
Atmane.
Atmane.
All Nakaranta. Sorry.
Huh?
All Nakaranta Shabdas.
Sorry, all Nakaranta Shabda you will find it goes away. Yes. Atman plus Nasi. Atmanaha. And here also Atmanaha only. Atman plus E. Atmani. Atman plus Os. Atmanoho. The same thing here, Atmanoho. Atman plus Am. Simple Melanam. Atmanam. Atmani plus Su. Atmani plus Su. Nakara goes away. 6 plus 1. In these places, Nakara goes away. So you can guess why Nakara goes away. What is the status of the word Atman before these pratyas? In all the cases, what are we have seen so far? What is the status?
Shabda.
Padam. Right? Padam or not? So Nakara belongs to the Padam. Nakara belongs to the Pratipadikam also. So Nakara, which is the part of the Pratipadikam as well as Padam, drops. So that's a rule. Nakarantasya Pratipadikasya Lopaha Bhavati. Therefore, Lopaha. That is not the rule I am teaching now. I am just saying. You can remember? Remember. That's good. So Atma plus Su becomes Atmasu. So you get all the forms now. With this, if you can memorize, it's good. If you can remember, it's good. Atman is an important Shabda. Right? So you can chant Nakarantaha Pullingaha Atman Shabdaha Atma Atmano Atmanaha Atmanam Atmano Atmanaha Atmana Atmabhyam Atmabhihi Atmane Atmabhyam Atmabhyaha Atmanaha Atmabhyam Atmabhyaha Atmanaha Atmanoho Atmanam Atmani Atmanoho Atmasu He Atman Atmano He Atman. Now same way can you do Brahman. Nakarantaha Pullingaha. Listen. Nakarantaha Pullingaha Brahman Shabdaha. What is the meaning Brahman here? Brahmaji. If it is Napumsakalinga, Sachit Ananda Brahma. There it is different. That Nakara you will see. Now Pullinga you do it. Same way. 5 minutes is there. Can you chant? Nakarantaha. Okay, 1 minute. Each one of you can do. Yes. Describe the Pratipadikam now. Brahman. Brahman. Yes. Yes. Nakarantaha Pullingaha. See? Brahman. You know how to write it? Brahman? Yes. Brahman. Nakarantaha Pullingaha Brahman Shabdaha. Pratama Vibhakti sir. Sai Krishna. Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Brahmanam, Brahmano, Brahmanah.
Good. Tritiya.
Brahmana, Brahmanavyam,
Brahmabhyam. Nakara goes away.
Brahmavyam,
This is the Pratipadikam. See.
Brahmavyam, Brahmavihi,
Brahmabhihi. Chaturthi.
Brahmane, Brahmabhyam, Brahmabhyaha.
Yes.
Brahmanaha, Brahmavyam, Brahmavyaha,
Shashti.
Brahmanaha, Brahmanoho, Brahmana, Brahmani, Brahmanoho, Brahmasu.
Then
He Brahman, He Brahmanao, He Brahman.
get from mother. You want to ask something? Okay. Okay. So it's clear. Brahman is, now you know it Brahman. Only these 5 places. 1, Pratama Bhakti, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, Dvitiya Bhakti, Ekavachanam and Dvivachanam. These 5 places are called Sarvanama Sthanam. It's a name. It's a Sanya. So this Sarvanama Sthanam, certain rules will apply. These places, Asarvanama Sthanam, not Sarvanama Sthanam. So therefore, these places where the Pratipadikams are there, they will be considered as Padam. This is this is how the sutras are present. In this 6 plus 1, 7 places, it is not Sarvanamasthanam. Therefore, Pratipadikam will behave like a Padam. Therefore, they can apply all the Padavidhi. Okay. We will see it later in detail. Just this much you know, some information. Sarvanamasthanam, Asarvanamasthanam, that much. Okay.
So in
now,
Sarvanama Sthanam alone, Padavidhi will be applied.
Asarvanamasthanam,
Isn't it?
not Sarvanamasthanam. Yes. What are Asarvanamasthanam? Suppose if I ask you, what you will say?
Other than the 5.
Other than
3 2 3 3 3 2 3 3 4 2 4 3 5 2 5 3 some 3. Asarvanamasthanam. Sarvanamasthanam.
1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1.
This is for Pullinga and Strilinga. This is for Pullinga and Strilinga. See, all these are tools. Okay. With With these tools we are not going to do anything now, but you know it now. And you don't tell that you know it now also. Okay? Keep it with you.
Then the other, what are considered?
Sorry?
The 5-1, for example.
5-1.
What it is?
It is not Sarvanamasthanam. It is not Asarvanamasthanam. It is what it is. That's it. You want to further know it? It's called Bha. Echibham. I don't know what to say about it now. Leave it. Yes.
Okay, and one more question about this.
Now, I will not complete it. Okay, let me complete. This is for Pullinga and Strilinga. Right? And for Napumsakalinga, 1, 3, 2, 3. These are Sarvanamasthanam. Only Sarvanamasthanam changes for Napumsakalinga. 1, 3, 2, 3. These two are Sarvanamasthanam for Napumsakalinga. This information is enough. Okay. Now,
Meaning they are changing.
meaning? No, it's a name. The name doesn't. It's a name given to that.
And certain rules are.
Certain rules are there.
Yes. A certain rules specific to Sarvanamasthanam will apply there. Specific rules will apply to Asarvanamasthanam will apply. And specific rules we know. In Asarvanamasthanam, the Pratipadika will be treated as a Padam. That is the rule. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 3. Yes, that remains same. When we don't talk about it, it means it's same. Not only me, Mani Maharishi also does the same thing. We talk about only where changes are there. Where nothing changes happen, why should we talk about it? Okay, 12:30. I thought in fact later 13th lesson we will do it tomorrow. So any doubt? Did you try the homework before that? Any doubt in the homework? You can ask me. I will conclude. Those who want to go for serving, they can go, and after that you can ask me questions if you have. Right.
Can I ask a question?
1 minute. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You please bring this book. I will tell you I will do homework from this. I will give you homework. I will explain. Don't see the lessons part. Lessons part not required. Only the lessons part, Sandhi rules are there. If you read Sandhi rules, you will get confused. Because my way of presenting the Sandhi rules is different in keeping with Panini Ashtadhyayi. Here it is presented in a different way, probably. You can see. Don't see. Translation we will do. Yes. Now, please ask me. 1 minute. Mandasa. Yeah.
No, not
Yes. Like